like, subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Achievement Mind Power for all competitive exams. Today in our session we're discussing about TET तेलंगाना टेट 2022 की प्रिपरेशन हमारी यहाँ पर जारी है। तो जो भी हमारे साथ अभी तक नहीं जुड़े जल्द से जल्द जुड़ जाए। हमारी प्रिपरेशन चलते रहेगी टिल द एंड ऑफ द एग्ज़ाम। जो भी हमारे सेशन में न्यू है वो हमारे सेशन को लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा एंड हिट बेल आइकन कर दीजिएगा। सभी प्रकार की इंफॉर्मेशन आपको यहाँ तक पहुँचा रहे हैं, तो आपको यहाँ पर सभी इंफॉर्मेशन एंड हमारे प्रिपरेशन के साथ जुड़ना हो तो आपको यहाँ पर हिट द बेल आइकन करनी होगी। हिट बेल आइकन करने से आपको यहाँ पर नोटिफिकेशन पहुँचेगी जिससे आप हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हो प्रिपरेशन में। नेक्स्ट आप हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हो टेलीग्राम चैनल पर, यूट्यूब पर एंड इंस्टाग्राम पर। इन सभी के लिंक्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी, आप वहां से भी हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मैथमेटिक यानी कि मैथ्स, जो कि है पेपर 2 का। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं पेपर 2 मैथ्स के बारे में। तो चलिए फिर सेशन फटाफट शुरू कर देते हैं। Here it is our first question. Find the factor of 12. 12 factor, what is the 12 factor, and find the factor of 12. So before we start the this problem, first we know what is factor. A number which divides another number exactly with another number is called a factor of that number. So this is our definition, means here 12 which is exactly divisible by another number is called a factor. So let's solve this problem. First, before solving this problem, observe the 12. 12 is a product of two numbers. 12 we have, how we find the factor of 12 is product of two numbers. With the product of two numbers in different waves. How we find the two number? This is the product of two numbers. So product of two numbers in different waves. How we solve these factors? How we find the factors? Let's see. So here it is 12. 12. In which table 12 is completely divisible by 12 is 1 into 12 jar. 1 12 jar again gives 12, means here one product and one product. These two product combines give a factor of 12. I think you understand what I said here. In different waves, means we said before, 12 is a product of two numbers in different waves. It is a one way. Next way, what is that? Let's check. 12 is equal to 2. 2 6 again gives 12. Here one product and here one product. Two product gives again a factor of 12. These two are factors of 12. These two are factors of 12. How many? Another way of 3 into 3 4 jar again gives 12. 6 into 2 jar. Next 12 into 1 jar. So here let's check. Here the product of 12 products in different waves is we express here. So 12 product is 1 into 12. These are factors of 12. 12 two products is 2 and 6 is a factor of 12. 3 and 4 is a factor of 12. 6 and 2 is a factor of 12. 12 and 1 is a factor of 12. So these two are factors of 12. So now we have right 12 is a factor of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So here whatever here comes, these all are factors of 12. So 1 and 3, and we have missed another factor, that is 4 into 3 here again gives 12. So 12 is a factor of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Here 1 is for factor for all factors. Whenever we find any factor from any number, 1 is common for all factors and it is least of the factor from that number. And 12 is itself a factor of in that number. 12 is the greatest number in all factors. If you check, it is the greatest number from all that, and it itself also it is a factor from 12. So these are the factors of, in this way we have to find a factor of 12 and another numbers. I give one number, find a factor of 48. This 48 homework you did in your next session. In comment box you have to submit these problem solving in this way. So our next question is, write the prime factor of 28 and 36 through division method. Through division, first we have to know, in first problem we have to solving in product, in two products where we have to solving the problem. Now he said the prime factor of 28 and 36 through division method. This method is invented by Greek mathematician who is Euclid. It is one of the topic in TET syllabus. It is one of the most important topic given in our TET syllabus paper 2. It is one of the topic. In other session we briefly discuss about the Euclid also. Here write the prime factors of 28 and 36 through division method. In division method we have to find the 28 and 36 factors. So first 28, start with a least number. 2 is a least number. First we start with 2 14 here 28, 2 7 here 14, 7 1 here 7. It goes cancel with 7. 2 14 here we get 28, 2 7 here 14, 7 1 here 7. The process of the division continue till the resultant gives 1. Until the result gives 1 we continue this process. So here come the 1. So 28 factor is these are the factors of 28. 2 2 7. Now we have to find out the 36 factor also. 36 factor, first with starting with least number. 2 18 here 36, 2 9 here 18. 2 cancel, 2 9 in 9 table it cancel with 18. 2 9 here 18 it's cancel. Now 3 in 2 table it's not go 9, so we cancel with 3. 3 3 here 9. Next 3 1 here 3. The process of the division is continue until the resultant gives 1. So 36 factors is 2 2 3 3. These are the factors of 36. I hope you understand. 28 factor is 2 2 7. Here factor is 2 2 3 3. So in this way we have to now find out the factors of in division method. Another important point is, whenever it comes a 2, At the same in a factor, when it is come to, we take common factor. We count these 2 as 1 2, these 3 as 1 3. So these factors, now after we take in common factors, 36 common factor is 2 comma 3 whenever it is bring with common factors. If without the common factor, what is the factors of 36? 2 2 3 3. I hope you understand. 28 factor is 2 comma 2 comma 7. 36 factor is 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma, and 1 as a common for all that. These are the factors of 28 and 36. This is the answer for this question. Next question, write the prime factor of 42 by factor 3 method. In 3 method, how we find the factors of 42? Let's check. 42, in which table it goes 42? Let's check. Into table 21 0. Here it's not come, even we stop here. Next 3 7 0 21. These are the factors of 42. 42 factor is 2, 3 and 7. Here it is our fourth question. Find the HCF of 12, 16 and 28. Now we find the factors of 12, 16 and 30. In first same, how we find the factors of two products. Here we find the products of three numbers. Let's check. 12 is equal to 2 into 3 is 6 into 6 into 2 is, I can use 12. 16. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Next 28. 2 into 4 2 is 8. 8 8 7 is 28. These are the factors of 12, 16 and 28. These are the factors of 12, 16 and 28. Now what is the HCF? How we find the HCF from these factors? Which is common in these factors is a HCF factor of the number. Let's say 2, 2, 2 here common and here 4, 4 is common. Once a repeat may not be repeated another time. So here 12, 16, 28 HCF is 2 into 4 means 8. 12, 16 and 28 HCF is 8. It is our question. When multiplied with the common numbers, that is the HCF of the number. Now here it is our fifth question. Find the HCF of 56 and 64. How we solve this problem? Let's check. This is the biggest number. So we take first which is the biggest number. Next here it is the, you already know about this problem. (64) and 56 is the which is the smallest. We write here 56, 64. 56, 64. Now we can, in which table 56 1 here? 56 1 here again gives 56. When we subtract these, we get 8. So which is here 8 is, again we subtract, this is the divisor, this is called divider, this here it is called coefficient, and final answer is remainder. First we know about these terms before start the problem. 64, 56, 1 jar 56. So this is, we have to call divisor. This is called coefficient. Final answer is remainder. So in this way the parts are divided. First we know about the, first now solving the problem. In 64, 56 minus, we get 8. Again we divisor with the last number of previous. This previous last divisor is 56. Again we divide with this number. So 8, in which table 8 goes? 56, 56, here 8 8 56. So we get remainder here 0. 8 8 56. We get, after we subtract these two numbers, we get 0. 0 is the remainder. So in this way 56 and 64 coefficient HCF is this last divisor, which is 8. Which is 8 is our answer of HCF. Once again I repeat this type. First we take biggest number and another smallest number in that divisor. This is called divisor. This is called coefficient. 56 1 jar 56. We get 8. Again we divisor with the last divisor. Resultant with the last divisor, again we divise. 8 means 8 56. 8 8 jar, we get again 56. So here comes remainder. When it comes resultant remainder, the previous divisor is the answer of HCF. Okay, so 56 and 64 HCF is 8. It is our answer. I hope you understand. If you want to the problem solving in Hindi or in Telugu, you do comment in comment section which we have to know in next session. You want to in next session in which language I have explained. In next session, do comments in comment section. Next session, in which language you need to explain. Okay, in next session again we meet. Until then, keep smile. Bye bye.